We are shopping for cute outfits at the Halloween store. They're literally Harry Potter accessories. These are costumes. The Tiger King outfit. So far, this is looking a little too good. We're tricking our followers. We're to the Halloween store, bro. Hey guys, I'm Nikki
and I'm Gabi,
and today we are doing a shopping challenge. However, we are not shopping at a mall or shopping online. We are shopping for cute outfits at the Halloween store.
Nikki and I are picking out whatever we need at this Halloween store to create what looks like normal outfits, but they're actually Halloween costumes.
So basically, we have to go in and build 2 awesome outfits with Halloween costumes or Halloween props or whatever they have in that store. That's the rules of this challenge. I feel like we're gonna nail this because I think for some reason, fashion has...
You're not wearing a Halloween costume right now?
No, I was gonna say, shut the fuck up.
And we're not only just trying to make Halloween costumes look like normal clothes, but we're trying to trick you guys, and we're gonna post these pictures on Instagram, and hopefully you guys don't notice that these are costumes.
So today we went shopping at the Halloween store and we found some goodies, so keep watching to see what we got.
So honestly, I do think I'm gonna have a lot of luck because my style is very costumey, obviously.
So far, this is looking a little too good. I feel like maybe this says something about my style. Is my everyday wear like costume-like? Honestly, I'm starting to question my style, TBH.
There's so many accessories in this Harry Potter section. I think this red velvet headband with the little Harry Potter symbol would look so cute with the black shirt and skirt that I picked out.
Since I dyed my hair this color, a lot of people have been telling me I give off Chucky vibes and that I should be Chucky for Halloween. I've seen this costume everywhere since I was a kid on every Halloween store website or in person. I think I want to have a Chucky moment and buy the Chucky costume, so I buy myself a pair of shredded black leggings, a faux leather black pleated skirt, and I have these perfect boots in mind. They're the perfect chunky thigh-high black leather boots that'll finish it off with the whole early 2000s grunge aesthetic.
So as you guys know, even though I'm glam, I'm also very cottagecore, shabby chic. So this 11 dress, I watched all of season 1 of Stranger Things. I have to admit, I haven't seen the rest of the seasons, but I was very intrigued by this pretty pink dress that she always wore, and I always see people wearing it every Halloween, so I think it would be so funny to fool people into wearing this dress without the waffles and the wig. I feel like this looks like a dress I would buy, and I don't think anyone will believe it's a Halloween costume.
I have no idea what the heck to make my second outfit, and then all of a sudden I come across the Tiger King outfit. Don't think I'll do anything with the mullet or the mustache, but I think I can style that oversized blue tacky tiger print top really well. So I buy a white corset that really gives off Y2K vibes, and I'm gonna pair that with the low-rise jeans I'm already wearing. Fingers crossed this goes okay together, because this is definitely a gamble. Alright guys, so we are back from the Halloween store.
I got a lot of stuff because I'm really indecisive, and some things look like they could really work in my head and not in real life, so I have a lot of options.
I'm seeing some like questionable things poking out, and I'm curious to how you're gonna style this.
I got 11. This dress looks like something I would like literally buy from ASOS.
That's actually, I see how you're gonna
style that's so cute already. I thought the shape of this shirt and like the colors remind me of like the fall Love Shack fancy shirt.
It says Stranger Things on the tag. Is that a Barb shirt?
Oh, you know what? It might be.
Maybe not. I don't know. Then I got this top. I might not use it. I might just wear this with Colin. These sunglasses or these round glasses would look super cute with this like off-the-shoulder black shirt with the mini skirt. Okay. And I got a pearl necklace. I think this would go with the Stranger Things dress.
So what I got a white corset. I'm gonna wear the Tiger King shirt open. Then the next outfit I'm going to style is Chucky, because you know I have Chucky hair.
It's actually kind of cute.
Yeah, and then
I don't like the colors, but I like the sweater.
I'm gonna wear this underneath. It's just like a black plain corset with a black pleated skirt popping out with my black fishnets with... I brought these from my apartment.
I don't know. I feel like we could not be any more different. Holy shit.
So we're gonna start styling these, and then we're gonna go take the photos for Instagram, and then tomorrow we're gonna post at the same time at 3 p.m. Catch up with you guys. Yeah.
taking pictures, and this is Niki's little famous spot to take pictures. I feel like with the way that the background looks with like the greenery and the gate, it totally looks like an Insta baddie pic. So I feel like no one's gonna be able to tell that this outfit's from the Halloween store. And I'm also wearing these Harry Potter glasses. I think they make it look super sexy. I see people wear these little round fake glasses all the time, so I don't think anyone's gonna notice that they're literally Harry Potter accessories and that whole outfit's from the Halloween store. So the first outfit I'm wearing is Tiger Queen. We're gonna call this outfit Tiger Queen. I go to my usual spot. If you guys watch my channel, Niki DEMAR, I always take pictures at this Italian restaurant. I swear the people hate me. I am always trespassing to take photos on this property. They have so many like different textures, different wall options. So Colin's helping out, and I picture just like a white plain background with some texture because the outfit is already obnoxious enough. And on my Instagram, a normal Niki post is always in front of a wall, so we're just gonna go find a wall, and it's the perfect spot. So this is my favorite outfit, this pink dress. I got these pearls from the 50s decades section in the Halloween store, and I think with the white pumpkin and the pink bedroom, no one is gonna notice. It's gonna look like it was just styled for the picture. I'm so excited. I think this is really gonna fool people. So even though Gabby used this location for her Harry Potter outfit, I kind of want to steal it too because it really goes with the Halloween grunge look, because the gate kind of reminds me of the gate of like a haunted mansion, and I feel like it would really sell the vibe. It's gonna go perfect with my hair, the sweater, the boots, the gate. It's gonna marry well together, so we're gonna go with that. Alright, so it is the next day, and I was able to post one of the photos.
I posted both because I loved these pictures.
We have an active queen on IG. Nothing against Gabby. I think my followers are different, and if I posted twice in a day, they'll know it's for a video. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true.
So I didn't post both. I posted one. I did screenshot some comments that I saw, which by the way, this photo is getting so much praise. I actually posted the Chucky photo, not the Tiger King photo. I know everyone is like waiting to like see the Tiger King reaction, and I wish I posted it. One person said Halloween store outfit challenge, question mark. You and Gabby have posted a picture in the same place, might be a video. We really did expose each other with that though. Your sweater though, hard eyes, hard eyes, hard eyes. You need more looks like this. Those boots are giving me Bratz doll vibes. So for the most part, people are living, and it's doing really well on the likes end. It's performing higher than normal photos do on my Instagram. So I guess I've tricked you guys, except like 1 or 2 comments. What about you?
Someone said I didn't recognize you. It's so different. Not seeing you in pink, LOL, definitely gives you a new look. Everyone's just raving about how they think this is the best picture I've ever taken.
Why did both of ours do so well? Because they're so different.
You did not, Gabby, you did not have to slay this hard. Like, it's from the Halloween store, bro. Like,
how did 11 do? You literally targeted 2 diehard fandoms, Stranger Things and Harry Potter.
The 11 dress, let's see if anyone commented, giving me Chanel-Halloween vibes.
So no one thought it was an 11 dress?
No.
It looks like 11. Like, when I see that, I would think 11.
No one, I'm looking at all the comments. No one, everyone's saying it's super Chanel, like Oberlin. Okay, so there's one account that exposed where I got the dress from. It's called Style for Gabby. She has so many followers. She posted the whole, like, literally, you see the girl with the blonde wig on, like, next to me. Oh my god, and she posted my Ravenclaw headband. Oh shit, I've been calling it Ravenclaw, it's Gryffindor.
Oh my god.
You said burgundy. You said it was a purplish blue.
It is burgundy.
That's red.
Red? Ravenclaw? I don't think anyone's gonna notice.
What color was it?
It's burgundy.
Was it like a bluish, like purple kind of looking color?
You mean burgundy?
Is that burgundy?
Yeah.
I always thought burgundy was like closer to red or like crimson, or am I nuts? Yeah, if it's like a bluish purple,
it looks like
Ravenclaw.
it looks like a flag symbol.
It's probably Ravenclaw.
Right.
Why did you just say red? I would have told you it's Gryffindor. Fucking red.
Nate!
It's Gryffindor. How do you not know Gryffindor's red?
Because we never really got into Harry Potter. Alright guys, so I guess we tricked you. Some of you guys really do call us out though, and we take note of that. But comment down below what you want to see for more Halloween videos. Even like videos for November. That's always like a blah month. We never know what to post. So like comment down below.
Black Friday! I'm thinking about it's gonna be your 1 year anniversary of I'm Not Like the Other Girls.
Oh.
Be sure to subscribe and to click the bell to be notified for every upload.
Subscribe to our separate channels.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Fancy Vlogs by Gab.
And my channel, Niki DEMAR, very fashion based. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.